Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are enjoying all online sessions. Chapter 8 Means of Travel Session 2. Now let's revise our previous session. When people move from one place to another, it is called travel. Things that help us to do so are called means of transport. First, land transport. Land transport is transport or movement of people, animals, or goods from one location to another location on land. Second, water transport. Water transport is the process of moving people, goods, etc. by boat, ship, or sailboat over sea, river, etc. Air transport. It is the fastest mode of transport. Kids, how do we decide which vehicle we should take for traveling? Let me tell you. It mainly depends on the distance to be traveled, the time taken to travel, the cost of travel. Kids, we use a scooter, motorcycle, or car to travel short to long distances. We can also use a bicycle to cover short distances. A train can be used to travel to places that are far. An aeroplane can also be used to travel to far off places. Bicycle, rickshaw, battery rickshaw, auto rickshaw, boat, sailboat, and bullock cart are some examples of slow moving vehicles. Kids, fast moving vehicles include car, bus, truck, train, motorcycle, and scooter. Aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, and bullet train are some examples of very fast moving vehicles. So kids, we use different means of transport to travel at different places. Now let's enjoy a video.
How do you come to school every day? Do you walk? Do you ride on a bicycle or on a motorbike? Do you take a bus? Do you take a train or a tram? Or do you travel in a car or a taxi? Did you know that in the beginning, early humans had to walk to move from one place to another? It took them a long time to travel. Later, they rode and carried things on animals. After the invention of the wheel, travel became easier. We can now go to far-off places quickly and easily. Today, we use different types of vehicles to travel. The way of carrying goods or people from one place to another is called transport. The vehicles used for transport are known as the means of transport. Some means of transport are slow, some are fast, and some are very fast. Some vehicles, like buses and cars, move on the road, while others, like trains or trams, move on tracks. Some vehicles, like aeroplanes, move in the air, and other vehicles, like ships and boats, move on water. The type of vehicle we choose to travel in depends on different things, such as the distance to be traveled, and the time needed to travel, and the cost of travel. When we have to travel far, we use a car, a bus, a train, a ship, or an aeroplane. Air travel is the fastest way to go anywhere. It is also the most expensive means of transport. Some vehicles, like trucks, trains, and ships, are used to carry goods from one place to another. Vehicles can also be grouped according to the speed at which they move. Three such groups are slow-moving vehicles, fast-moving vehicles, and very fast-moving vehicles.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Kids, I hope you understood this session very well. Soon we will meet in our new session. Goodbye.